Okay, starting in the dining room, these floating shelves. First thing, note the spacing. So this first shelf is that high off the ground, about 1.75 inches thick, and then 16 inches in between. And that's the top of the opening right here. So the depth is 18 1/4. So the shelf would come out into, or lip over the right side of the sheetrock, the left side of the sheetrock an inch, and be a 1/2 inch beyond the 1.75 inch depth. Laundry room, the wood alder around this. These are the model numbers. If you want to confirm this width, the 27 wide and 36 5/8 tall, 18 by 18 sink. That's the inside width, so that'll fit. Floating shelves, and these guys are 12 deep. The cabinet on the adjacent wall ends here, dead corner. This cabinet here, probably just a couple shelves in there. When you walk in from the garage on the right, hanging rod, mops and brooms. There's no shelving in here, but there's a partition down the middle, dead corner. And when you walk in from the garage on the left, this pegboard. I don't know if you want this painted or a wood frame around it, because we really just can't take a 1/2 inch thick board and drill a bunch of holes and attach it to the wall. I mean, a frame around it would work better. Actually, pegboard. If you're just referring to coat hooks here, let me know on that. The wood top, miter to the floor. The top of this guy would be about 18 inches and 18 inches deep. Yeah, let me know on your intent. Refresh my memory on this pegboard, please. Master, this line is the center of the plumbing right here. So the sink is centered. These notched handles. Other side, same thing. This plumbing on this side is about a 1/2 inch further away from the corner than the other. You will never know, but it's just, it is what it is. Yeah, so this cabinet here is 16 3/4, and this one's 16 1/2. I mean, it's a 1/4 inch. You'll never notice. The linen cabinet. The top of the soffit is at this height, and it's 24 deep. These cabinets are 18 deep. Assuming no crown molding, just a vertical piece of material scribed to the ceiling. Pantry, trash, floating shelf, 9 deep. Ice maker, this linen cabinet, and again, it's all open. There's no shelves in here. This is the one room I need to get. It's much more than 50 wide. The kitchen, sink window. Your big sink will fit in here, centered on the window. If you could get me the model number, if you have not already, for this dishwasher, your trash, drawer stacks, dead corner, drawer stacks. Range, utensil cups, drawer stacks, dead corner, more drawer stacks. Let's do the fridge wall. Yep, drawer stacks, dead corner, fridge in here. This is the front of the island. The paper towel drawer, those are about 11 inches. I mean, of course we can do it. It just breaks up the symmetry of this for the paper towel. And I believe you said you wanted the paper towel visible when the drawer is closed, or we do it, you just pull it open and pull a paper towel out, or if we do a little slit or just have it open so you see the paper towel. So for the island, it's a foot off the floor. If we do, let me explain this, so because it looks funky. If we do 5-inch by 5-inch posts on the back, and from the front it's 5 inches, so you'd have a 5-inch leg coming out. We put a seam here because there's going to be a panel in between these posts separated by about an 1/8 inch seam. So a 5 by 5 post here that's going to look built into the both front corners. So it'd sit on 4 legs, and then on this side you'd still have room because it's 84 inches, 5, 5, 10, 74 inches in between, 24 inches per bar stool, easily 3 bar stools. And we could put a panel from this inside corner to the back here. This is 48 inches, this line, and from the front of the island to the back is 48, plus about 3 inches for countertop, so about 51 inches deep. If this guy's 84 wide, plus 3 inches, so about 87. And then if we just measure from the side here, 48 inches, that's good. It may not be perfectly centered in the room here. Come on. 46. So it would need to scooch over about 1 inch to the left, about 4 feet all the way around. If that's good, we can get a big template to lay down and figure out where to pull the electrical up in that post. And then this cab's 30 deep. Doesn't need to be. We can do deeper drawers in the front, but FYI. Let's see here. This line is the center of the plumbing. You can see we're not balanced here. I don't know if that was intentional, but I'm assuming that faucet mounted in the wall. Well, of course it's centered on this sink cabinet here, but that is the center of the plumbing. It's an arched cabinet, no filler, 1.5 leg, 1.5 leg. And I believe that is it. So let me know what you think of that, and we can keep adjusting if needed. Thanks.